The T-fal Experience non-stick fry pan with lid is a solid choice for your kitchen. It's a 10-inch pan. This size is great for cooking meals for 1 or 2 people. The non-stick surface makes cooking a breeze. Food slides right off, and cleanup is super easy. You can even pop it in the dishwasher. This T-fal Experience non-stick fry pan works on all kinds of stovetops, including induction. Plus, it can handle the heat in the oven or under the broiler up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's like having a reliable friend in the kitchen, always ready to help you cook up something tasty. This T-fal Experience non-stick fry pan feels sturdy. It has a lid, which is useful for simmering and keeping food warm. The black color looks sleek and will fit in with most kitchen styles. While it's not made of steel like some heavier pans or have a fancy HexClad design, it gets the job done well. You can use it as a deep frying pan or a regular cooking skillet. It's part of a larger family of pots and pans from T-fal. You won't need scientific data to see how well it performs. It offers good rendimiento for everyday cooking. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan, the T-fal Experience non-stick fry pan is worth considering. It heats up evenly, and the non-stick coating really works. Following the instructions will help you keep it in great shape for longer. It's not a griddle, but it's perfect for frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, and so much more. You can probably find it at your local store. It makes cooking less of a chore and more enjoyable because of its ease of use and cleanup. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, dishwasher safe, induction compatible, oven safe. To 400F, has a lid, good for deep frying, works on all cooktops, durable material, even heat cons. Handles get hot, can scratch easily, coating can peel, handles loosen, quality issues. Uneven heating, not very durable, customer service features. Non-stick, with lid 10-inch, induction, oven safe, broiler safe 400F safe, all cooktops. Deep frying, dishwasher safe. This T-fal 10-inch black non-stick frying pan comes with a lid and is safe for all stovetops, including induction. You can even put it in the oven or under the broiler up to 400 degrees. It's good for frying and deep frying. And it's easy to clean because you can put it in the dishwasher. This 10-inch T-fal fry pan has a non-stick surface and comes with a lid. It's safe to use on all kinds of stoves, even induction, and can go in the oven up to 400 degrees. You can also put it in the dishwasher to clean it. It's good for frying food deeply. However, some people have said the pan might not heat evenly, can get scratched easily, and the non-stick coating might peel off over time. The handles can also get hot and might become loose. Some customers have had issues with the quality and how long it lasts.